Hello, welcome back again. Betha Wino here, and I'm back with another video. Have you watched my previous video on my life update, what made me be off for this long? If you haven't, please finish this one and go back to understand why I've been off for this long. So just to assure you that we are back with the content. Yes, we are back with content back to back. Yes, I have equipped myself with content, with equipment that will bring you better quality content. Okay, and what am I talking about? We are doing unboxing. Unboxing. Yes, guys. Are you ready? Are you ready for this content? Are you ready? All right. I have this. I have the bag. You see the bag? And I have a tripod. Is it a tripod or a stand? Whichever. Yes, this one. Okay. So let's I'm so excited to do this with you guys. Oh, I'm so excited, Yani. Hey, I'm going to learn how to use this. I think there is a manual. If you also have skills and you're willing to teach me, please do. Let's start with this bag. I think this is the bag that will carry that I've used to if I walk around to carry this. Yes, so let's start with this small bag. Not a small bag, okay, camera bag. I don't know why I'm calling it small. Let me see. Ooh. Hope you can see it, guys. Hope you can see it. So this is how it looks inside. It has corridors. It has what? Partitions. I think this is where the camera is. Then this side, maybe you can put something. Okay, I will learn how to use it. Don't worry, guys. I'm still also new to this. I've been shooting with my phone all my life, and I'm shooting with my phone this unboxing video. So that's that. Then it has a side. This one. The side. It has some writing, I think. As always on support. Easy and ready to use in any situation. Wow, this is a good quote. So yeah. So there's that bag. Let me show you how it looks down with the handle. You can this one you see you can enlarge it for it to be as long as you want. Okay, we are unboxing, so let's just do the experiment with you guys. You see how long it is? It is so long, Yani. It's so long, Yani. And you can still lengthen it. You see? Yes. You lengthen it, and you can also shorten it as you wish. Yes, so that is it with the bag. Okay, then let's go to the tripod. Okay, sorry, it's a bit dirty, but no. Wow, I told you guys, we are ready for content. So, will I need a cameraman? I don't know. What do you think? Now, what is this? It looks like silica gel. Do not eat, throw away. Guys, tell me this one. Is it a preservative or something? I don't know. So this is the tripod. Wow. So it can be like that, you see? Then camera you put where? Here. then something, I don't know. And there is this. I will learn. I don't know. I will learn, please, guys. And if you are a camera person, camera expert, or videographer, or whichever, please teach me. Come and teach me how to use these things. But I will read manuals. I'll watch YouTube videos, so I will know how to use it. Okay, we have that stand. Ready for content, guys? Now this one, how does it work? Mungu wangu. Sawa. Now to the main thing. Let's go. Guys, I told you I came with a bang. I came back with a bang. No joking. There is this. This is a battery. Okay. Then there is this another something? I think a handle or something. This one. I'm not opening it. Then there is a whole manual. What? Guys, a whole book. What? Hey, a whole book. How, hey, my God, like a whole, my God, how many, does it have pages? I don't know. It has sections. Oh, it's written in different languages. There is English. Then there is, I don't know. There is English language, you see, for up to page 18. This is the end. Then there is this Seskai language. I don't know if you can see it, guys. I don't know. So that one goes up to also 18. Then there is so many languages. Then there is this Dansky. Oh my God, you can see, guys. I thought it's one language, all this. Oh, okay. So for me, I only have 18 pages to read. There is Dutch language. Oh my God, it's a lot. There is Espanol. So all those languages, guys. Oh, let me not bore you with this, but it has many languages. 18 pages each. 18 pages each. 18 pages each. There is this one. Sumo, so whichever. I don't know. Let me know how to pronounce these things. I don't know. There is Francios. French. There is, hey, I don't know how to pronounce. So it's a lot. It has, I thought it's one. Hey, I was shocked. Compare, there are different languages. So whoever buys is comfortable reading and understanding the content. Okay, this is good. This is so good. Let me see the last language. What's the last language? The last language. The last translation is this one. I don't know. Is this? I can't pronounce that. You understand? So this is a manual. Well done. And this, so many things. There is a warranty. So, okay, this is okay. Now to the main thing. Are you excited? I am excited. Hey. So this is how it looks like. You can see? Yeah. So I think this is a charger or something. This battery. Charge for, I don't know. There's this. I will read some of these things. I don't know what are they exactly. Just forgive me. There's this one. It's rough, right? There's this one. This is part of the camera. Okay, I think on this one, on this photo, on this one, I think it's this one, this part here. There's this one, okay. Then now there is this, the body. Oh, will I be able to? Alright. How do you press? You press like this. For photographers, videographers. Where do you press? This one? You can see me. You see? Video inside video. You can see? I'm shooting with my phone. Yes. So, are you ready? Are you ready, guys? I'm excited. Yes. So that is it. So you can believe when I tell you there are a lot of videos coming. Yes. Okay. Boy, I'm so excited. Are you ready? Are you ready? Please teach me how to use these things. I'm going to read yes, but if you can teach me also, it will be I will appreciate, and it will help a lot. So help me learn how to use these things. Yes, there we go. So are you ready for the content? Are you ready, guys? All right, so that is for this unboxing. So you're going to get quality video, back-to-back video. Give me your thoughts, what you would like to see, and I'll be glad to do research and to bring it to you. All right, thanks for watching. Okay, subscribe, share, comment, and like. Bye.